Hey, Barley, do you want to go out in the woods? Yeah, sure. And then we can build a fort. We need some very perfect sticks for this fort. One's like a 1 inch thick? No, more like a 5 inch stick. Hmm, you can't really find that many 5 inch sticks. Oh my gosh, look over there. There's like a whole pile of 5 inch sticks. Oh my gosh, these are terrible sticks. They're barely even 1 inch thick. Come on, you can do better, Barley. Oh my gosh, okay. Well, I thought these were gonna be good sticks. There's like barely any in these woods nowadays. Oh my god, Pablo! Look! It's like a ginormous thick stick. And this one doesn't seem to be a half an inch thick. That one's perfect. We should really go fast to get it, so no one else gets it. Holy crap! It's the most perfect stick! We can use it for the base. It will be amazing and support all our other sticks.